Hello, my name is Jordan. I'm with 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning. I'm doing a little tour of my truck here. As a service technician, 1 Hour retrofits our trucks to make sure that we can fix almost anything that we run into on a daily basis. On the left here, you see that we have two different types of refrigerant that you see on residential units. We have the 410A and the R22, along with recovery tanks. As you go in on the left side of my truck here, we have all of my tools. We have a box here full of miscellaneous parts, a bag here of specialty tools, you know, the big tools that you don't need on every single call, vacuum pump, an extra rain jacket, you know you always need that, and a couple refrigeration tools. I have a few pieces of PVC up here in case I run into a miscellaneous repair, a few umbrellas in case I get rained on. If we look into the back here, we have a mixture of filters, humidifier pads, UV bulbs, and motors. So a quick mixture of everything that I would need on a day-to-day basis. And as we go over to the right side, these are all of our smaller parts for repairs. Okay, we have everything from gas valve, capacitors, circuit boards, thermostats. So just day to day, what I run into, I can quickly fix and repair and get the homeowner up and running again. Here I have a few of my everyday tools, my little tool bag I use every day, my refrigerant gauges, along with my drill set. So how the truck is laid out, we have everything laid out in ascending order in capacitor sizes. This is a big one because, as you can see, from here all the way to here are as many different residential capacitors you'll see. So big tip is always keep these in ascending order, very quickly to find. This is a very common breakdown or repair that is needed on a system, and if it's not in nice orderly fashion, it'll take you a lot longer to get that repair done for sure.